This is arguably one of the biggest weeks of the entire year because we have a ton of economic data that is going to be key to give us an understanding of what the Fed is thinking into the end of the year. And then we have the largest, most important companies reporting earnings. Let's take a look at what's in store this week. Our big news really starts coming in on Wednesday when we have our ADP and GDP numbers, as well as our crude inventory numbers. And the reason why I really want to pay attention to oil here, we've seen a ton of volatility in the market, and I think it's really important to see exactly where we're at. On Thursday, we've got our initial and continuing claims, as well as PCE prices and personal spending. All of those are extremely important, leading us into Friday, where we have the payroll data, the unemployment rate, and of course the ISM manufacturing index. On the earnings side, we really start to heat up when we get into Tuesday. Monday after the bell, we've got Ford and Waste Management I really want to pay attention to. But when we get to Tuesday, we start to see some of the biggest names reporting. Before the bell, we've got SoFi and PayPal and British Petroleum. We also have McDonald's and Pfizer. We once again go to an airline, JetBlue. And after the bell, we start getting into those big tech companies. We've got AMD and Google. We have Snap. And then if we want to take a look in at the consumer, we take a look at Visa. Wednesday before the bell, we get into Eli Lilly and Caterpillar, Biogen and ADP. And after the bell, we've got Microsoft and Meta and Coinbase. We also have Etsy and Roku and Carvana and Starbucks. Thursday before the bell, we want to pay very close attention to MasterCard. Another look at the consumer. We also have our cruise line, Norwegian Cruise Line, Uber, and we have Altria. After the bell, we have the big names, Amazon and Apple, as well as Intel. And then Friday, we have a couple of the big oil names in Chevron and ExxonMobil. This is going to be a jam-packed week. Expect to see volatility and the market moving off of these pieces of information. We will keep you posted.